Gary, part of Eastwood Racing, and I actually am in the boat racing.
Hi, I'm Grant.
We're at Eastwood Racing and part of the Eastwood Racing team.
So we race powerboats, quite big, a lot of parts, a lot of tools, and we knew we were wasting time moving everything around all the time. We realised how much better things would be with some proper organisation. And once we saw the equipment, we realised the direction we needed to go in, and it was going to be Bott.
Andy came down from Bott to have a look around the workshop. He showed us a load of different products, had a chat about how things might fit in the workshop and what might be more suitable than other things, and see what we were trying to achieve, and it just how well we could tailor the products to what we needed. It was great. Having that 3D picture really enabled you to see how that was going to work, and it looks exactly like it did in the picture, and it's just really improved the flow in the garage. Everyone knows where everything is, nothing's getting lost, nothing's falling down the back of old cupboard somewhere. It's really stepped the game up. With the boat, after the winter of having the major repairs done, we had 4 weeks to get the boat kitted back out and ready for the first race. So we've got all of the tools sorted. We've worked out where things needed to be so that it could work around the boat. We managed to completely rebuild everything back into that boat in just about 3 weeks.
There's very obvious improvements to the workflow around the boat. Having the kit in the right places, and worked out where we were going to put each individual components and where we were going to put each individual tools. So for us, having the ability to just have a handle or something straight away, no doubt helped to the speed of the boat repair. This is just another step forward in making the team feel more professional. If you look and feel professional, we generally perform well.